Say hello, if you want, to the Xiaomi Duokan Reader Pro 2. I didn't even know what this unit was, it never came across the desk, and no one in the office even had an inkling. One guy, who does a lot of our Chinese correspondence, says, oh yeah, that thing. So, it's not the most popular thing, but Xiaomi, thanks guys for sending this to us. They sent it to us at the last minute because, if you guys don't know, by now, everything's been released. This is, apparently, a 300 ppi 7.8 inch. It has 32 gigs onboard storage, 2 gigs of RAM, and it has a glow light with USB-C. I'm thinking this is more of an ebook reader. Yes, they call it the Duokan Reader, but a lot of the time, even though something is called a reader, they really push Android and Google Play and all that fun stuff. So we're going to open it right now and see what's inside. Wonder how many more times I can do that before the end of the year, because I've been unboxing a lot of stuff this year. It has been crazy. Box is already very nice. This might be made out of balsa wood. This thing is so tight. Look at that cardstock. That's crazy. It's not corrugated cardboard. That is thick cardstock. They're protecting something valuable. I don't know. I've never seen this unit. Does it have a little pull strip? It does. Is this a wax paper or just a plastic? That's just a plastic. Okay, well that's a little bit of a downside. Oh, is there a secret stylus in the box? I'm not sure. The Xiaomi Duokan Pro 2. Look at that. Doesn't look like there's a stylus in the box via its contents breakdown. You get a little QC pass, and this should be the USB-C, which it is, and the rest of it is corrugated cardboard, as you can see right there, and the doesn't come out. So we'll put all that back and look at the unit itself. What do we got here? This is looking very Barnes & Noble Nook Glowlight 4 Plus. I mean, that's a pretty much stolen design except for the side buttons, and that can just be replaced with an N. I mean, that's the same kind of feel there. So you get the power button up top, you get a kind of that's like a midnight onyx. Not an onyx device, but like an onyx color. So, oh, here, I have an onyx right there. It's kind of like that. And you get the Xiaomi logo at the back, and this is part of the Mi line. Xiaomi has many different lines. They got the Moan line, the Mi line, the regular Xiaomi line, and they actually do that because some places like eBay, for example, you can't sell Xiaomi goods because of the whole data worry and concerns depending on the country. So they actually do call their devices different things in different locations based off of where they market themselves as to not be hindered by any sort of restrictions. Well, so far as we've been going through the settings a little bit, we haven't found anywhere that actually says anything about languages, so we're not even sure if there's English on this, but we did use our phone to do Google Lens, and we did find that they have refresh modes, and they have long press for the key down below. So there's some things we can do. We're going to do a system update. We're going to get into it during the whole review. We really hope this does have some sort of English, so we can at least show off what the device is capable of. For now, everybody, this is everything that comes in the box with the new Xiaomi Duokan Reader Pro 2, the device you and I've never heard of before. For GoodyReader.com, stay tuned for the full review.